Hi guys, welcome back. Let's solve some of the problems, word problems given in your textbook. So exercise 1.1. Okay. So what is telling is, there's a country called Libya. Okay. The highest temperature ever recorded was 58 degrees centigrade. Okay. And the lowest degree they have recorded is minus 88 degree centigrade. This is lowest and this is highest. I hope you all know this number line. Okay, 1, 2, something like this, and minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Okay, say minus 88 would be somewhere on this line, and 58 degrees centigrade would be somewhere on this positive. So the difference of this is what is asking. What is the temperature difference between this? So till 0, 58. Okay, again from 0 to 88 is 88. So when you add these both, 8 plus 8 16, 8 plus 5 13, 14. So the temperature difference between both is 146 degrees centigrade. Okay, so in a simple way we can directly do 58 minus of minus 88. So minus of minus will give you plus. So 146. So temperature difference is 146. This is how you solve this. Next, there is someone's bank account with say dollar 105 rupees amount. Okay. So now some of the transactions will be made by this person, and we need to tell after each transaction whether the bank balance would be positive or negative. So first, say there is 105. Now first is making a rent payment of dollar 140. So 140 is bigger than 105. So let's subtract this. So is negative balance $35. Okay, 140. So is less by $35. Now next, he had to pay car insurance of dollar 283. So again debt. So for this 35 you have to add again this $318. Now is $318 in negative. So his balance is becoming lower and lower. Now he got 1 week salary dollar 230. Okay, from 318 you need to, so this is negative balance 318. In this you are adding something. So minus 318 plus 230. So it means you are subtracting this. So 8 minus 0 is 8. 11 minus 3 is 8. Since you have borrowed, you are left with just 88. So again you are left with minus $88 negative balance after this. Again there was a food bill of $72. It means again negative minus 88. Again you are adding one more debt minus 72. So minus minus you'll just add and keep negative sign. 8 plus 2 10, 8 plus 1 16. So now after food bill $160 in negative is there. Okay. Now after this credit transfer of dollar 250 has happened to his bank. Okay. So credit transfer happened. So positive 250 minus 160. So 15 minus 6 9. So is after credit transfer of $250 is positive $90 finally. Okay, next, the roof of an apartment. Say there is one apartment like this. Okay, this is your ground level. Is saying this is 130 meters height from ground level. Okay, again they made a cellar like parking below. So here they, under this ground there is a cellar. Here cars are parked. So this cellar is nothing but 35 meters below ground level. Okay, so here your cars are parked. Okay, now he is asking how is the roof above the floor of the car park. So if we are saying roof above the car park from here to here, so 130 plus 35 would be 165 meters. So roof above the car park would be this total height, that is 165 meters. Okay, next. Now this is all ocean. Okay, this is again ocean floor. So this depth from above this thing is 860 meter. This is your beach, says beach, and from here you have ocean, all water, and this is about 1860. Now submarine is at a depth of 165. So somewhere around here this submarine is present. This is 165 meters at depth. How far is submarine from ocean floor? So this is your ocean floor. Now he's asking what is this distance? What is this distance? This total distance minus this distance will give you this distance from floor. That is nothing but 860 minus 165. So 15 minus 6 is 9. Now 1 you have got 7 minus 1 is 695. So 695 meters is the distance of submarine to ocean floor. Okay, you can cross check. Okay, this is how you solve these problems. Then you have student assessment. I'll discuss few problems whether numbers are rational or irrational. Say 0.73. This you can write as 73 by 99. So since you can represent it as a fraction, this is a rational number. Square root of 7. You cannot represent it in the form of a by b. So this is irrational. Similarly, pi. Pi is anyway irrational because there is no stopping of this number. It will keep on repeating. Okay. Square root of 121. This can be written as 11 square underscore square root means 11. 11 can be written as a by b form like 11 by 1. So this is a rational number. Similarly, express them as fractions or whole numbers. Say 0.625. You have to express them as rational number. 625 by 3 digits, so 1000. 25 25 is a 25 4 is a this thing. 5 5 is a 5 8 is a. So 5 by 8. You can represent this as a fraction 5 by 8. Similarly, I think you can solve other cube root of 27. This is anyway we discussed. 3 cube means 3. Simple. Okay, find the value of say 9 square. That is what 9 into 9 81. Find this. cal point 0.2 square. Point 0.2 square is nothing but 2 2s are 4. Right, 4. Point square means 0.04. Okay, similarly 0.7 square. So I'll write it in like this. 7 sevens are 49. So two digits, whenever you are multiplying, you have to take how many digits are there after point in each this thing multiplication. Zero point 0.7. So here one digit, 0.7, one digit. So total two digits. So after two digits you will keep a point and you will say 0.49. Okay. So without using calculator you can find 3.5 square. What did I say? 3.5. 3.5. So I'll tell you a small trick. When you have this 35 35 or 25 25 45 45, okay, 5 5 is a 25, you can write directly. After 3, what is the number? 4. 4 3 is a 12. 12.25 is your answer. Say 25 25 also you can check. 5 5 is a 25, you can write. After 2, what is the next number? 3. So 3 into 2, 6. 625 is your answer. Say 45. 5 5 is a 25, you can write. After 4, you can, number is 5. 5 4 is a 20. So this is shortcut for and numbers ending with 5. Okay, this is a trick. Next, 0.15 square. So 15 15 is a 5 5 is a 25. 2 into 1, 2. 225. So 2 digits after dot, after decimal. Square means 4 digits. So 225, 4 digits. So one more 0 you need to add and you should write 0.0225. Okay. This is how you can solve these problems easily. Okay. I hope you will solve all the student assessment. They're all easy problems. We will continue the next topic, accuracy. Okay, in your next class. Till then, bye bye.